In this video, we're going to learn about the Move tool. Just like the name says, the Move tool lets you move things around on the page. This picture of a hand with the finger pointing to the box is the Move tool. You can see that I've selected the Move tool because it's blue. If I select another tool, the Move tool turns gray. So here I have chosen the Move tool, and for this activity, the teacher wants me to build the number 4 using my 10 frame. And I'm going to be using pennies to do that. This is the front of the penny, and this is the back of the penny. So these are both pennies, and I can use whichever ones I want. Now, if I want to build the number 4 in my 10 frame, I'm going to need to move the pennies from over here into the 10 frame. First thing I'm going to do is make sure I have the Move tool turned on. Then I'm going to click on the penny, and you see this box around the penny. That means I'm ready to move it. If I grab it from the side, I'm going to stretch that penny out. That's not what I want to do. So I'm going to press the undo button now. Instead, I want to move the penny, so I'm going to try again. If I click on the penny and I hold it from somewhere here in the inside, I'm going to click and move it into the 10 frame. Now, I only have one penny in my 10 frame, but the teacher wants me to build the number 4. So I know I need to come and click again and move another penny over. Maybe for my last 2, I'll try these pennies that show the back. So that is one way that we can use the Move tool to complete a Seesaw activity. Let's look at one more example of how you can use the Move tool. For this activity, my teacher is asking me to sort the words into word families. I have words that have the sound ot, words that have the sound op, and words that have the sound og. So if I look at my first word, it's ot, hot. That one goes right here. So again, the first thing I want to do is make sure I'm using the Move tool, and you can see here that it's blue, which means that's the tool I'm using. If I click on the word hot, I can click the button down on my trackpad and use my other pointer finger to move it up where I want it to be. Let's look at the second word. Smog, smog. Ot, nope. Op, nope. Og, that's the sound I'm looking for. I'm going to click and drag it where it goes. Now, remember, if you accidentally make a mistake, maybe you might grab it from the corner and accidentally make it too big. That's okay. You can always go here to your undo button, and that will undo the last thing that you did. When you're done sorting all of the words, don't forget, whenever you're done with any activity, you turn it in by clicking here on the green check mark. So those are a couple of ways that you can use the Move tool. Now it's your turn to practice.